Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the last circuit simulation video, we showed you how to build and simulate circuits in Proteus. We told you how it makes it easy for us to study the behavior of certain circuit. It has various components and features. Even with this, the software might not have a few components already in it. For this, Proteus has a long list of libraries. In today's video, we will show you how you can add new components in your Proteus software. All Proteus components can be downloaded from the engineeringismagic.com. The direct link to the required site is mentioned in the description below. Download any Proteus library from this site. We will download the Arduino Uno library. When you will download it, you will get a .rar file. Open this .rar file and you will get two files in it, named as arduinouno.lib and arduinouno.idx. These are the library files of this Arduino board, and you have to place these files in the library folder of your Proteus software. Proteus software is generally installed in the program file x86 folder. But if you don't know the location of your Proteus library folder, here's how you can find it. Open your Proteus Design Suite software. On the home page, in the left corner, you can see the System option beside the file. Select System and go to System Settings. The System Setting page will open. Here you can see the Library Folder section, which contains the library folder location. Copy the location and search it in the Run window, which opens on pressing Windows plus R key. The library folder will open. You have to paste the extracted library files here. When you open a new project and search for Arduino Uno, you will find a new component. Arduino boards are microcontroller based boards which are able to read inputs, light on a sensor, a finger on a button, or a Twitter message and turn it into an output, activating a motor, turning on an LED, publishing something online. Many spectacular operations can be performed on this board. Let's begin with simple tasks. We can use the Arduino Uno IDE to operate the board. We will now perform the blinking LED project using Arduino Uno. For this, we require an Arduino Uno board, a resistor, and an LED. Select the components and place them on the template. Connect the components as shown. The circuit is ready. Now switch to the Arduino IDE and write the code of this circuit. Find the pre-written code in the description below. After writing the code, compile it. On compilation, you can find all compilation details at the bottom. Scroll down and you will find a path with .hex extension. If you cannot find the compiled details, select File and go to Preferences page. Check this compilation option here and compile the code again. Copy this path and paste it in the program file section in the window that opens when you click the Arduino Uno board that you used in Proteus. Now simulate the circuit. Great! You can see your blinking LED circuit working. You can do many things using Arduino now. That too without possessing the actual board, only by using simulation softwares. You can drop all your questions and suggestions about this video in the comment section. We will be obliged to answer them. That's all for today. We will see you soon with more interesting stuff. Thank you.